Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to add a prefix like doctor to an entire column of names all at once. Whether you're personalizing invitations, organizing a mailing list, or just want to give your data that extra level of polish, this technique will save you tons of time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply any prefix to any list in seconds. No need to type it out over and over again. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you've got a list of names in column A. Maybe you're running an awards ceremony for doctors or updating a contact list at work. The names are simple like John Smith, Alice Brown, and so on, but you want each one to have doctor at the beginning. Let's head over to column B, click into cell B2, the very first cell next to your first name. This is where you'll enter the magic formula. Now we're going to use something called ARRAYFORMULA in Google Sheets. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. ARRAYFORMULA basically tells Sheets to apply your action to an entire range rather than just a single cell. It's like setting up a conveyor belt. Instead of attaching a label to one box at a time, you automate the whole process, and every box that comes down the line gets that new label instantly. So in B2, type in this exact formula, equals ARRAYFORMULA doctor and A2A. Let's pause for a second and break this down. See those quotation marks around doctor? That's telling Sheets exactly what to add to the beginning of every name. The ampersand, that little n symbol, is what sticks doctor and the name together. Think of it like some glue. And A2 means we're looking at every cell in column A, starting at A2 and going all the way down as far as names are present. The ARRAYFORMULA wraps it all up, making sure this prefix gets attached to every single name on your list. Once you've typed in the formula, just hit enter. Instantly, you'll see every name from your list transformed. Each one now says Dr. John Smith, Dr. Alice Brown, and so on right across the entire column. No copying, no dragging, no repetitive typing. It's all automatic. Now, if your list is super long, give it a moment. Sheet might need a few seconds if you have hundreds or thousands of names, but for most lists, it's almost instant. If for any reason you notice a blank cell at the bottom, that's totally normal. ARRAYFORMULA is just looking for the end of your data. One thing to keep in mind, this method keeps your original data untouched. So if you ever want to change the prefix or go back to the plain names, you can just adjust or clear the formula in column B, and your original names in column A stay safe. And that's really all there is to it. With just a simple formula, you can customize an entire column of names in one go. I hope this helps speed up your next project or save you from some repetitive tasks. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.